Wells Fargo, how to set up automatic payments. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Wells Fargo and how you're going to use this incredible platform for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way. So, Wells Fargo is basically a banking platform that a lot of users are using nowadays. Okay, it's a banking software that many people like to go ahead and align with themselves, and the usage of these platforms really helps them to manage all their financials in one place. Now in this video we're going to be talking about how you're going to set up an automatic payment system on Wells Fargo. So when it comes to automatic payments, first of all, what you're going to be doing is basically you're going to go ahead and come to simplify your payments, okay? So whenever you're on your banking app or you're maybe on the browser, there are 3 to 4 ways to send payments. And to automate those payments, to make them automatic, you're going to be basically setting up recurring payments, okay? And to keep them automatic, you're going to schedule their transfers through your application. So as you can see, use Wells Fargo's online payment services to simplify paying bills and to streamline your monthly credit card and mortgage payments. You can even share the tab for dinner with friends. So first of all, you have paying your bills. Pay almost any bill anytime with Bill Pay. Schedule a one-time payment or set up recurring payments and have your bills paid automatically. You can get constant email reminders when payments are due or sent, and you can also manage your bill payments in one secure place with only one username and password. Then it comes to sending and receiving money with Zelle. Now, Zelle is a convenient way to send money within minutes between friends, family, and other people you know and trust. All you need is your recipient's email address or US mobile number. You can also move over to making payments to your Wells Fargo credit cards and loans. Transfer money from your account at any bank in the US to make payments to your Wells Fargo credit card, mortgage, or loan. You can make same day payments to your Wells Fargo credit card, pay your Wells Fargo mortgage or home equity account automatically each month, and transfer from your accounts at other banks in the US to make your Wells Fargo payments. So basically, as you can see, to automate your payments and bills in any way, whenever you have a scheduled or recurring payment, you're just going to keep a proper transfer date for it, and it's going to automatically start cutting from it in a recurring pattern. Okay. So basically, that's the main idea of setting up automatic payments on your Wells Fargo banking application. So if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.